Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. If we're looking across the markets, you guys can see today is Sunday. We are starting to see the markets turn back into the green, which is definitely a plus point to be noting. But as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we are going to be talking about Cardano and see what's happening with Cardano and what are some next price targets we could be looking at in the immediate short term. If you like these kind of videos, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into it. So looking at the price, it is currently trading at 35.7 cents, up 0.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 0.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $12.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $271.4 million. But now comes the question that everyone is here for: what is happening with the price? Where are we going? That's the question that's on everyone's mind, so we'll talk about that. But before I do get into that, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, if we're looking at the past few days for the price of Cardano, Cardano has been forming this upwards channel, and this upwards channel should not be taken slightly right now. You guys can see we are forming an upwards trend after, having the, once Bitcoin hit 19K, we did see the entire market react to that. We did see Cardano go all the way down to that 29.69 cents, which I was expecting if the price of Bitcoin were to see a retracement, and we went all the way down to there. So let's say if you did pick some Cardano up around that range, you are up about 20%. But we're focusing on this upwards channel that we're formation right now. But now one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is obviously today we are in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see manipulation across the board. But I've been telling you guys over the past few days that Cardano is looking really bullish right now in terms of this chart that it's forming. I could potentially see Cardano retesting this massive level of resistance. You guys know the importance of this level of resistance for us, which is at that 39.56 mark. And hopefully, if altcoins really do pop off in April, we could see Cardano really being one of the front runners for this next altcoin rally that we are anticipating. We're still about 10% away for us to retest this crucial level of resistance, guys. I cannot make this up. This level of resistance, I've told you guys in my other videos, is extremely important. If we pop out of here, things will start looking good, because the last time we were actually above this range was back on October. Now you can make the statement that we did see the price go up back on October 30th for a few times along with this year, February Feb of 2023, but we've never seen the price actually stay above there. So I don't really take these two factors really seriously, because we need to see the price actually close above here and start retesting these ranges such as 52 cents mark. But first and foremost, we need to be above this level of resistance, and most importantly, let's try hitting a new yearly high, which is above 42 cents. So if we bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of currently about 20%. So I do believe, and this is again my own personal opinion, and for Cardano holders, I think Cardano holders are also going to agree with me on this. If we're analyzing the charts, I really do believe that it's still good time to be dollar cost averaging in Cardano. But if we break out at this level, guys, then I really do believe that this might have been the last time to be accumulating Cardano below this level of resistance. But like I said, in order for us to have that confirmation, we do need to hit a new yearly high, most importantly go above 44 cents, which was the previous high during the bear market. So this is some factors that I'm looking at right now. If I go on the hourly time frame, you guys can see we are facing a little resistance also right now as we are moving towards the upside. We do have strong support around here, so that is coming as a level of resistance for us as the price of Cardano is trying to break towards the upside. So one factor, that's what we need to keep in mind. And also, if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin has been consolidating within this range. The 61.8, insanely bullish, guys. Bitcoin has showed its strength, and it's beyond crazy the strength Bitcoin has for itself. I can't recall the last time Bitcoin has gone in a channel where it's been trying to trade sideways and trying to retest back to back that major level of resistance. You guys can see the price of Bitcoin has remained within the 61.8 fib level, which is insanely crazy, and obviously Bitcoin dominance skyrocketing is no secret at this point. So that's why I'm saying altcoin season has not even started. So if you are a believer or in Cardano and you like the Cardano project itself, you believe in the vision, you believe it's going to be way higher this next bull cycle, I do believe that time is coming to an end, because when the next altcoin season does start, I don't think that these prices are going to come back. Obviously, after unless some risk, unless something comes in play, that's not in our control or the control of the project. Bitcoin, has a crash. These are some factors that we need to be okay to bear with, like these risk factors. And I've told you guys this before, if you can't bear this risk, then I'm sorry to say cryptocurrency is not for you. But this is currently scenario that I'm looking at for Cardano. Mainly this level of resistance, but if anything were to change, we'll keep you guys updated. But I do believe that this week we will see ADA above that range. Fingers crossed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. It's from Crypto ZX, and peace out.